carrot cakes I made yesterday. I had one of those to wash it down.
Good. This is the nastiest medicine I've ever seen.
It's gross.
How was it, Amelia?
Amelia actually gagged. Didn't you? You gagged on it.
Was it nasty?
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It
pretty.
It tastes like dog poop.
It kind of looks like dog poop.
Too.
And it tastes like dog poop.
What does it smell like?
It smells like... It's...
Not what it tastes like.
Ugh.
It smells good to me. It smells...
What?
It smells like...
That smells good?
It just doesn't taste good.
It smells like honey.
It smells like...
It smells like honey to me.
I don't think you know what honey smells like, because this smells like burnt Indian food that was in a baby's diaper.
Baby
Dog
shark.
poo? Dog poo?
Smells like a baby shark.
Dog poo?
Worst medicine ever.